The day before garbage pickup. What's this? It's heavy? It's high quality? Ah, it's an engine. Let's grab it. A quick search. Brownie dive compressor, third lung. What? This thing sells for $3,000 new? 1,800 used? 500 just for a running motor. Stick around to see how much I sold it for. Junkernecking. Find useful things or flip for cash. Disclaimer. Any wisdom here is accidental. Success depends on my neighbor's garbage. Junkerneck responsibly and discreetly. Ah, a whirlpool. I'll take a chance. Worth bringing home if it works. A couple of minutes to clean and list it. Ah, my truck locked itself, running in the middle of the road. Great. Luckily, I can squeeze through the rear slider, nimble as a spider monkey. Oh yeah, look at this treasure. Oh yeah, tackle boxes. Stainless steel bar sink? Yep. What's this yellow box? Oh, it's heavy. Good quality. Oh yeah, a motor. Valuable. Let's load it up. On the way home, I found an art easel. Let's check out this yellow box. Give the motor a pull, it could be locked up. Let's do an image Google search. Wow, 3,000 new, 1,800 used, and 500 for a running motor. I gotta research this a little more. Okay, let's get the refrigerator plugged in. The blue tackle box looks good. Too bad the brown one is busted up. I'll just transfer the tackle over. And I grabbed the stool. Looks brand new. The reefer's bad. Icebox is hot. Well, you win some, you lose some. This one goes back to the curb for a scrapper. 30 minutes of junkernecking. Let's see what I got. An easel, nothing broken, nothing missing. Probably 75, 50 bucks. Let's see, the stool, probably 25, 30 bucks. And if I can't sell it, I'll take it to Goodwill. The Brownie dive compressor. I got 3 paths. 1, sell it for parts, 100, 200 bucks. 2, get it running, sell it for about 500. And 3, get it running, buy parts, sell it for about 1,800. And that's a question of risk versus reward. The rifle case and fishing rods I got last week. The case I plan on keeping. The rods look new, ugly sticks. Tackle box should sell for about 50 bucks. The fly reel should sell for about 75 bucks. I don't know much about them, so I'll have to look it up. The stainless sink, it's a keeper. Looks new, never installed. Perfect for my second camper build. This little camp grill I got the other week. Weathered but unused. The regulators can be a little finicky. Okay, let's get this stuff cleaned up and put away. Let's put this stainless sink up with the windows and doors for my next camper build. Alright, let's get these fishing rods wiped down, cleaned up. With Marketplace, you get 10 picks. Do all 10. Full image, close-ups, and labels. Get good photos. It makes or breaks selling on Marketplace. The fly reel doesn't need anything, just good photos. The rifle case didn't work for me. No hidden diamonds or cash here. Don't people keep their cash with their guns anymore? List that too, 30, 50 bucks. If you're selling junk, you gotta have thorough photos. Everything seems to work. The easel just needs a good wipe down. We need a good, clean background for something tall like this. Let's take a look at this little grill. Looks new inside, burners look brand new, never used. We'll check out the regulator, see if it needs to be cleaned. A little wire brushing on the threads and some silicone grease. A little camp grill like this, perfect for the boat and the beach. It burns hot. Next, let's get started on the Brownie. We'll take it out of its case to make it easier to work on. Next, I took a sample of the oil and a sample of the fuel. There was a little water in the fuel, but not too bad. The carburetor bowl is not rusted out. Oh no, look at this. Well, the carburetor's rusted out. I think I'm done. Even though the spark plug is good, I'm putting it back together and gonna get photos. Lots of photos. If I'm selling it for parts, they need to see it clearly. Well, is Junkernecking worth it? Let's take a look at what I sold. The rifle case, I got 35 bucks. The stool, it's still sitting in my garage. Probably gonna find a new home at Goodwill. The fishing rods took a few days to sell, and I only got $35. The art easel, I got 50 bucks, and it sold right away. I didn't get it running, but I did get $150, and the guy who bought it for parts was really happy. All I got left is the fly reel, and I'll probably hold on to that since it's small until I sell it. And since I have the patience of a saint, I can answer the ultimate question.